Established in 1999, Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, Uttar Pradesh has a total of 12 institutions offering a range of majors including technology, management, education and research. It has received an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's learn more about the BTech programs offered here, beginning with placements which are rated 3.5 stars. In the 2024 placement drive, 436 students were placed with the highest salary reaching 16 lakh per annum. Top recruiters include Adani, Amazon, Tata Steel, Capgemini, Google, Infosys, Deloitte, Larsen & Toubro, Piramal, TCS and IBM. Roles offered range from web developer and software engineer to project manager and debugger. The median salary offered at Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University still has some ground to cover compared to Babu Banarasi Das University, offering 5.5 lakh per annum. Students report internship opportunities at Reliance, Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys and IBM, among others. Turning to the BTech program offered by the Institute of Technology and Institute of Biosciences and Technology, it features 11 specializations including data science and AI, electric vehicle engineering and IoT and AI, with some collaborations with IBM and ISIE India. Integrated BTech plus MBA and BTech plus MTech courses are also available. Admission requires a minimum of 45% in 10+2 with accepted exams being CUET, JEE Main or SRM USET test scores. The course fee ranges from 5.28 lakh to 6.2 lakhs depending on the specialization, while hostel fees are between 3 to 4 lakhs for the 4-year program depending on the room type. Scholarships are available based on JEE Mains rank, SRM USET merit and reserved categories. Moving on to infrastructure that has been rated 3.7 stars. The campus in Barabanki, Uttar Pradesh is well connected and known for its green campus with features like a herbal nursery, energy park, biogas plant, greenhouse and rainwater harvesting systems. It offers modern classrooms, a library, academic blocks, a seminar hall and computer labs. There are separate hostels for both boys and girls. Boys wing has 12 blocks and 216 rooms, meanwhile girls wing also has similar numbers. Students appreciate the hostel food. Sports facilities including a gymnasium are available along with medical facilities in collaboration with local hospitals. Let's now take a look at the faculty and course with the rating of 3.8 stars. Most of the faculty teaching at SRMU are drawn from reputed institutions with expertise in their own fields. Students appreciate the teaching methodology but consider the overall quality of teaching to be average. A minimum of 75% attendance is needed to sit for the exams with a passing grade of 4. The curriculum is enriched by global and industrial partnerships. Campus life has received a rating of 3.8 stars. Clubs Tech Fusion, Ozone, Shrijan and Golden Pen provide students with opportunities to showcase their talents. Cultural festivals and sports events are also highly anticipated by students, adding to the engaging atmosphere. Lastly, Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University is unranked as per the NIRF 2024. For more details on Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, Uttar Pradesh and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.